Hello and welcome to your 4-week DIY Reinvention Challenge. I'm so excited for you and I can't wait to see all of the things that you're going to accomplish this month. So before we begin, we have to make sure that we are making a copy of this Reinvention Challenge planner so that you can be able to use it. So thank you again for purchasing, and now you have downloaded it. It's time to just go to File and choose Make a Copy. And then from there, you can rename it and put your name. And then it will make a copy for you, so that way you can go ahead and use it and make changes. So if you follow Heartblend Podcast, we are focusing on reinventing our mindset, reinventing our self-concept, reinventing our physical appearance, and also our business. But there's also room for reinventing your finances as well. So each week you can focus on all of these categories, or you can focus on just one category for each week. It's totally up to you, however you want to use this planner. Of course, you can customize the start date, so you just double click here and then you will choose whatever the date is that you're starting your challenge. So you can just choose the 17th. And all the rest of the days will update for you. So everything is integrated for you. So once you change the date here, just make sure that you update the date here as well. So you will just change this to the 17th. And then you'll just click on this little circle here and bring that down. And that way it'll be updated for you. And then you can do the same thing here. Just choose the next week and then bring this down. Okay, so there we go. So we've got everything updated as far as the date. So you have set up your challenge, and we are going to go ahead and maybe just put in what we're going to do for that day. As you can see, it automatically updates here. So let's say we're going to read a self-help book for the 18th, and you'll notice it will populate here for you. Make sure to not delete anything from these cells, as they do have formulas in order to make this work. So if you want to delete the information that's here, be sure to delete it here from this list, and then it will be removed. And once you complete that task, all you have to do is just check the box, and you'll notice that this will change and say great work. So every time that you check these boxes, it will change for you, so you can see your progress. And then as you scroll down here, we've got a lot more coming. What you can do here is you can add a vision board, you can add your goals, you can add your habits, you can change the date of your desired completion to whatever date you want. And then once it's completed, you will just check this box here. Of course, we want to stay connected to our goals. So what you'll do is just add your goal here, just highlight that. And you can say start new business, if that's something that you're doing, or get in shape, whatever that goal is. And then you just want to type why that goal is important to you. And then we want to add supportive habits to our goal. So maybe a supportive habit for starting your business is each day you create some type of content. And that way you could just keep track of your habits and make sure that you're staying in alignment. So to add your vision board here, you'll just go to Insert, Image, Insert Image over Cells, Browse, and then just choose your vision board image, maybe from Canva or wherever you make your vision board. Now you'll see it's kind of big, so we can resize it so that it fits into our vision board. Okay, and of course you can adjust the size if you want to fill in this white space. It's totally up to you. And then you can add in your affirmations. You can say, I am. So you can keep track of your affirmations here that you'll be repeating every day. You'll also come here and you can add any inspiration. So if there's any videos or podcast links that are really inspiring for you, you can go ahead and add the link here. So you'll just change the title of whatever that is and then add the link. So all you have to do is just copy and paste the link here. Now, if you miss any days during your challenge, it will let you know here, because if you don't check the box, then it will say that you missed a day. So we're just going to click on some of these and you'll see the days change here at the bottom. So as you'll see, it'll say how many days were missed, and each day that you check, this progress bar will start to fill up. We also have a mood tracker, so we can track our mood for the week. Now, I've already added some emojis here, but if you want to add your own emojis, you can follow these instructions if you're using this on your computer, whether it's the Mac or Windows. So for Mac, you can use FN plus E, or if you see a key that says FN and a little globe or internet symbol, that will show you any of the emojis. And you can just enter whatever mood you're feeling for that day during the week, or however many times you are feeling a mood. You can update that during each week. And then we can add in what factors affected our mood, so that way we're just clear and we're more aware of what could be affecting our reinvention journey. And of course, as a reminder, these dates are also changeable as well. So whenever you change your date for your reinvention challenge, you just want to double click and choose the appropriate date. Then to adjust all of these moving forward, just click on the circle and drag it down. And that way it'll update for you. And this is just for you to have any notes or reminders. You can just make any notes here or reminders for yourself or anything that you'll have to do during your reinvention journey. Now, if you want to take your reinvention journey to the next level, you can join in on a 28-day mindset program, which is also 4 weeks, but it guides you through with meditations, with challenges and subliminals, and a support group and all kinds of things to support your journey when it comes to your reinvention. And if you just click here, it'll take you right there. Okay, so just click on this top link. And then you can also listen to any of the podcast episodes from Heartblend Podcast on reinventing yourself as well by clicking this link down here at the bottom, and it will take you right there. Of course, I want to know how your reinvention journey is going, so feel free to send me a DM or connect with me further on Instagram at HeartblendHost. If you click here, that will take you directly to my Instagram. And that is everything for your reinvention planner. Use it however you want. Of course, there's a little countdown here to let you know how many days you have left, depending on when you update your date. And also just a quick tip, of course, remember, focus on your physical appearance, your self-concept, and the beliefs that you have about yourself. Your mental reinvention, focus on elevating your mindset, and your finances. We should always focus on improving our finances because that is our level of stability and support. So I hope that you all enjoy this. Thank you so much for purchasing this planner. I hope that you kill it this month when it comes to your reinvention. You can reuse this if you need to, if you want to start all over again. However many times you want to do your 4-week challenge, it's totally up to you. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.